Companies Act, Section 378S, matters to be transacted at the general meeting of a producer company. Section 378S of the Companies Act, 2013, outlines a specific set of matters that the board of directors of a producer company cannot decide on independently. These matters must be transacted only with the approval of the members of the company and must be approved through resolutions passed at the annual general meeting, AGM. This provision reflects the democratic and member-driven nature of producer companies, where key decisions relating to finances, returns, and certain governance issues must be decided collectively by the members rather than solely by the board. The board of directors, although vested with a wide range of managerial powers, as per Section 378R, must obtain the approval of members at the general meeting for certain critical matters. This ensures transparency, member participation, and accountability in important financial and strategic decisions. Such matters may only be exercised by way of resolutions passed at the annual general meeting, AGM. The rationale is to ensure that member interests are directly represented and protected in the governance process. Matters requiring resolutions at the AGM. A. Approval of budget and adoption of annual accounts. The board must place the annual budget and the audited annual accounts of the producer company before the members at the AGM. These documents can only be approved by passing a resolution at the general meeting. This provision ensures that the members review and approve how the company plans to allocate and spend its financial resources, budget, as well as evaluate the financial performance and accountability of the company, annual accounts. B. Approval of patronage bonus. A patronage bonus refers to the distribution of surplus or profits among members in proportion to their participation in the business activities of the company, such as supplying produce or availing services. The board cannot decide unilaterally on the patronage bonus. It must place the recommendation before the members at the AGM and obtain their approval through a resolution. This guarantees fair and transparent sharing of surplus among the members and aligns with the cooperative principles of producer companies. C. Issue of bonus shares. Bonus shares refer to the issuance of additional shares to existing members without receiving any additional payment, typically from the company's reserves or surplus. The decision to issue bonus shares can have long-term implications on the capital structure and ownership distribution of the producer company. Hence, such a decision must be approved by the members at the general meeting. This ensures that members collectively agree on how profits are to be reinvested in the company. D. Declaration of limited return and decision on distribution of patronage. A limited return refers to the capped dividend or return that may be paid to members on their share capital, in line with cooperative principles. Additionally, the distribution of patronage, that is, benefits based on usage or participation, must also be decided collectively. The declaration of limited return and distribution of patronage must receive member approval through a resolution passed at the AGM. This protects the equitable treatment of members and ensures the company remains true to its mutual benefit principles. E. Specifying conditions and limits for loans to directors. If the board intends to give a loan or advance to any of its directors, it cannot do so freely. The conditions and limits under which such loans may be extended must be clearly specified and approved by the members at the general meeting. This prevents misuse of company funds and upholds integrity in the governance of the company by requiring transparency and consent of the general body. F. Approval of reserved transactions as per articles. The Articles of Association of a producer company may reserve certain transactions or decisions to be made only with member approval. Any such transactions, even if not listed in the above clauses, must be presented to the members and approved at the AGM through a resolution. This clause provides flexibility for companies to customize their internal governance rules while preserving member oversight on critical decisions. For more details, contact us.